Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to upload an affidavit in JoSAA Counselling. First, understand that this essential document confirms your eligibility for admission. It is a mandatory requirement for securing your allotted seat during the counseling process. Correctly uploading it ensures your application moves forward smoothly, preventing any delays or complications that could arise otherwise. We will guide you through each step for a successful submission. To begin, access the official JoSAA portal using your JEE Main application number and password. Once logged in, navigate to the document upload section, which is clearly labeled on your dashboard. This area provides all the necessary fields for submitting your required documents, including the affidavit. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface before proceeding with the actual upload process. Before uploading, ensure your affidavit is properly prepared and notarized, adhering to all specified guidelines. It must be in PDF format with a maximum file size of 500 kilobytes. Double-check that all personal details and declarations are accurate and clearly legible. An improperly formatted or incomplete document may lead to rejection, so precision is key here for your successful counseling. Now, within the document upload section, locate the specific field designated for the affidavit. Click on the Choose File button to select your prepared PDF document from your device. After selecting, carefully review the file name to confirm you have chosen the correct document. Finally, click Upload or Submit to complete this crucial step, then wait for a confirmation message on your screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.